Our objective is, first, to expose the concept of basic home wiring. Second, to get familiar with components involved. And lastly, to demonstrate testing procedure and connection in this video.
I will explain more about the equipment used. For the first equipment is cut-off fuse. Cut-off fuse is to protect the distribution transformer current from overload. Second equipment that we use is neutral link. Neutral link is a circuit conductor that normally carries current back to the source. Third equipment is digital kilowatt hour. Digital kilowatt hour is to measure the amount of electric energy consumed. Next equipment that we use is switch fuse. Switch fuse is to protect low voltage electrical equipment against specific overload. Next is ELCB. ELCB, the other name is Earth Leakage Current Board. ELCB is to protect the leakage current. Next is MCB. This one is MCB. MCB, the other name is Miniature Current Board. MCB is to protect from overcurrent. This one is PVC mini casing. PVC mini casing is to protect the wire. Next is switch socket. This is switch socket. And next is voltage regulator. And this is one-way switch. The other equipment is, these two is two-way switch, and lastly is intermediate switch.
Now I'm going to explain the current flow from the TMB supplies to our house. First, it will go through the cut-off fuse here and then into the neutral link which is situated beside it. The connection is then being transferred into the digital kilowatt hour meter here, and from here there will be two types of wire, which is neutral and live. The connection is then made into the switch fuse from below here. The connection from the switch fuse is then looped into the MCCB from above here. Then it will be joined and channeled to the copper plate here, which contains all the connection for the MCCB, which control all the current flow in our house. This distribution board is vital to our house as it controls the current flow in our house.
So, let's continue with two types of connection, which are radial and ring. The differences between these two is the radial, if one of them is short, the other one is short too. But for the ring connection, if one is not functioning, the other one can still functioning well. So that we can conclude the ring connection is much better. Thank you.
Next, I would like to explain how one direct connection function and how three switches that can control one load. Okay, first, we control the on-off the switches, and they're connected to the voltage regulator. We can control the speed of the fan. Second, where two switches that flows and connected to the intermediate switch, which control one load, which is lamp. Okay, this is how it works. When three switches can control one load, this means that we can apply it as two rooms which gonna share one bathroom. So these three switches can on here and off here, on here regularly, and control one load. Thank you.